In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Jira Kanban board. If you're managing ongoing work and want a clear visual way to track tasks from start to finish, a Kanban board is a great choice. It gives your team a simple flow of work, typically moving from to do to in progress to done, and helps you limit work in progress so nothing gets stuck. Start by opening your browser and heading to Atlassian.com. On the homepage, click Sign Up to get access to Jira. Follow the prompts so you can reach your Jira workspace. Once you're in, look for your company-managed project or space. This is the project that's administered by your organization, and it's where your board will live. Picking the right project ensures your board shows the issues and workflows your team actually uses. Next, find the plus icon next to that project and click it. This is the quick way to create new items tied to that specific project. When you click the plus, a side menu will appear with different board options. From the choices, click Kanban. This tells Jira you want a continuous flow-based board designed for steady delivery rather than time-boxed sprints. A pop-up will appear where you'll add a name for your board. Use a clear descriptive name that helps everyone instantly recognize its purpose, like Web Team Kanban or Customer Support Flow. Good naming makes it easier to find and maintain later, especially if your workspace has many boards. Next, choose what to include in this board. Here, you're deciding which work items the board should display. Depending on your setup, this could mean selecting the project, a saved filter, or specific issue types you want to track. Keep it focused so the board stays useful and uncluttered. For example, include only the issues your team is responsible for, or only the statuses that make sense for your workflow. If you're unsure, start with the default selection tied to your project. You can refine it later as your process becomes clearer. When everything looks good, click Create. Jira will generate your Kanban board and open it so you can start using it right away. You'll see columns representing stages of work, which you can use to visualize progress and keep tasks moving. Even with the defaults, this setup is powerful for daily stand-ups, prioritizing work, and spotting bottlenecks before they slow your team down. That's it, your Jira Kanban board is ready. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.